Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best MacBook Pro chargers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have ranked them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the RX 140-watt USB-C to magnetic 3 cable, which stands out as the most budget-friendly option on this list at just $19.94. This product emphasizes compatibility with modern MacBook models like the 2024 MacBook Pro and 2023 MacBook Air, making it a versatile choice for users with multiple devices. Its strong magnetic lock ensures a secure connection, even in busy environments, protecting your MacBook's port from wear and tear. The design is a standout feature here, with a braided cable that offers military-grade durability and a tangle-free experience. At 6.6 feet long, it provides flexibility whether you're working at your desk or lounging on the couch. While the cable doesn't include a USB-C power adapter, it pairs perfectly with 140-watt, 96-watt adapters for ultra-fast charging, capable of reaching 50% battery in just 30 minutes. However, some users may experience a slight delay of 15 to 20 seconds when charging due to the magnetic safety mechanism, a small trade-off for enhanced device protection. This cable is ideal for professionals who need rapid charging and a reliable connection while on the go. The combination of affordability, durability, and compatibility makes it a great entry-level choice. The main downside is the lack of a bundled power adapter, so you'll need to purchase one separately. Still, for under $20, it's hard to beat this value-packed option. Next up, at number 4, we have the Blue Origin 120-watt USB-C fast charger at $23.99. This charger packs a punch, with its high charging efficiency of up to 97%, capable of fully charging most laptops in about 1 hour and 20 minutes. Its universal compatibility includes MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iPad Pro, and other USB-C devices, making it a versatile choice for users with multiple gadgets. The design is sleek and portable, featuring a foldable plug that prevents scratches and makes it travel-friendly. The 6.6-foot cable length adds convenience, allowing you to charge your devices from a comfortable distance. Blue Origin also incorporates IC chip technology for enhanced safety, protecting against short circuits and overheating. Additionally, the charger is designed to preserve your battery health, maintaining up to 97% of its maximum capacity over time. This charger is perfect for users who prioritize safety and battery longevity while needing a fast and reliable charging solution. The foldable design and durable cable make it especially appealing for frequent travelers. On the downside, it is slightly heavier compared to other chargers at 8.8 ounces, which may be a consideration for some. Overall, this is a solid mid-range option for those looking for a balance between performance and portability. Coming in at number 3 is the Fedior 118-watt USB-C fast charger, priced at $25.26. This charger impresses with its high charging efficiency of up to 96%, fully charging most laptops in just 1 hour and 30 minutes. It also supports fast charging for mobile phones, going from 0% to 80% in just 20 minutes. The universal compatibility extends to MacBook Pro and Air models, iPads, and various USB-C devices, making it a versatile choice for tech-savvy users. The charger features PD 3.0 technology, delivering faster and more efficient charging compared to older models. Its design is robust, with built-in safety features like overcurrent, overvoltage, and temperature protection. The included 6.6-foot cable adds flexibility for users who need to charge their devices from a distance. However, while the charger performs well, its slightly larger size may not be ideal for those seeking ultra-compact solutions. Fedior's charger stands out for its reliability and efficiency, making it a great choice for users who need a dependable option for both laptops and smartphones. The after-sales service is another plus, offering peace of mind with friendly customer support. If portability isn't a top priority for you, this charger delivers excellent performance and safety features for its price. At number 2 is the Anker compact and foldable 100-watt USB-C charger, priced at $22.99. Known for its high-speed charging capabilities, this charger can fully charge a MacBook Pro 16-inch in just 1 hour and 20 minutes, making it one of the fastest options on this list. Anker's proprietary Power IQ 3.0 technology ensures flawless compatibility with a wide range of devices, including laptops, smartphones, and tablets. The compact design and foldable plug make this charger incredibly portable, perfect for travelers or professionals on the go. Its Active Shield safety technology provides 24/7 temperature monitoring, ensuring safe and efficient charging for your devices. The included 5-foot USB-C cable adds convenience, although it's shorter than some competitors' offerings. Despite being lightweight at 10.8 ounces, its build quality feels sturdy and reliable. This charger is ideal for users who prioritize portability and fast charging. The foldable design is a major plus for frequent travelers, and the safety features add peace of mind during use. The slightly shorter cable length may be a drawback for some, but overall, this charger delivers excellent performance at an affordable price. Finally, at number 1, we have the SunVasa 118-watt USB-C charger, priced at $26.83. This premium charger offers a high charging efficiency of up to 96%, fully charging a MacBook Pro 16 inches in just 1 hour and 25 minutes. It also supports fast charging for smartphones, reaching 80% in just 20 minutes. The charger's wide compatibility includes MacBook Pro, Air, iPads, and other USB-C devices, making it a versatile solution for tech enthusiasts. SunVasa incorporates advanced PD 3.0 charging technology, outperforming older models with faster and more efficient power delivery. The build quality is top-notch, with multiple safety features like overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection. The included cable is durable and long enough for flexible use. At 7.8 ounces, it's lightweight and portable, making it a convenient option for users on the go. This charger is perfect for professionals and power users who demand the best performance and reliability. While it's the most expensive option on this list, its efficiency and build quality justify the price. The only drawback is the higher cost, but for users who prioritize speed and durability, the SunVasa 118-watt charger is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.